Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. So let's start with localizing the app which is causing a lot of problems. Then tap on it and hold it and go to app info. So start with entering storage and cache. And tap on clear cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, sometimes they can interfere, so removing them from time to time is really crucial. So first of all, remove cache, and then I highly recommend to tap on force stop, because sometimes if the app is working in the background, it might interfere and it will not be opened again, right? So just tap on force stop and confirm it by tapping on OK. Now you can try to open the app. If that didn't work, and then repeat those steps and try to power off and then power on your device again. Obviously you can do it by using this power button in this center, in this control center. All right. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to check for the updates, because the older versions of the apps might have some problems. So let's go to the Play Store. Of course, make sure that you've got the internet connection and that you're logged in. Without that, you will not be able to follow my steps. So you can do it after entering the Play Store, or you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So now in the Google Play Store, tap on search. And here enter the name of app which is causing you some problems. In my case, let's say Chrome. And I do not have the Wi-Fi, so just let me fix that and I will come back in a second. Alright, so after entering the name of the app, you will see it listed here. So just tap on it. And after tapping, your device will immediately show you the information whether the update is available. As you can see, in my case, it is. So simply tap on update, download it, and your device will install it immediately. Hopefully it will fix the issue. However, sometimes overwriting the new version over the older one also might cause some problems. In that case, I highly recommend to come back here. After updating, you will not see this update option, but the option uninstall. So I highly recommend to simply tap on uninstall and then install it again, because directly installing the newest version might fix the issues. And if we are talking about the updates, I also highly recommend to check for the system updates, because your older version, I mean the older version of the system, might also have problems with newer version of the apps, because they are optimized for the newer system, newer software versions. So to check for the software updates, simply open the settings. Here in this left section, we have to scroll all the way down to go to system, and here go to system update, and basically let your device check for the system update. I've got the automatic software update, that's why we are installing now. But what you will see here, you will see the button check for updates, so just tap on it and your device will try to find the newest version. And if you will see any kind of new fix, any kind of new package, I highly recommend to simply tap on download, because that might also fix the issue with the app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.